You dey waste your time, run for your life. Nothing you go do, go to stop me. Oh, I say you dey waste your time, run for your life. Fuck you and fuck you. Stick me, I no go agree. You say you no agree. You just wanna fight me, but you no go win. You never you say I be wicked like Idi Amin. You know they see what I see, Charlie fuck you make a think. Every day you dey try, but me I know they mind. But today I go show you say you're crazy like swine. Fuck your mother, yes. For your face I say your father. You no get shishi, show your power. Every day, doctor, you boy, your popo. TV top, you the see, show banoko. Sometimes when I hear these people for radio, Sherman, I'm a sure. Into Coco, today I take cocaine, tomorrow I take popo. What the fuck? I say if you only you know. I wait for the time somebody go to tell me for my face. Like I get to waste your time, run for your life. Nothing you go do, go to stop me. Oh, I say you dey waste your time, run for your life. Fuck you and fuck you. I say you dey waste your time, run for your life. Your radio talk no go stop me, cause I dey see you like pussy, yeah, like pussy, yeah. In the way I talk, fuck your block. Money way I make, I go fit talk, say I stop, but I don't go fit to stop because of the fans. Only God knows, so I just they give thanks. You think I be fake like a tease where they run to Yankee? Pussy change your plans. See me, I be man, can I be my land? One on one, if you go fit, just come. I'm poor, now you dey listen. The juju you say me I get you missing. I don't you know go fit stop my season. Because you're sorry, I the man bring your pussy. I know they respect because you the fuck off. That mouth you the take off. Me I go jump off. I know what you the think now. Hey, fuck off. Yes, this be nasty. Yeah, inject your gun. You dey waste your time, run for your life. Nothing you go do, go to stop me. Oh, I say you dey waste your time, run for your life. Fuck you and fuck you. I say you dey waste your time, run for your life. Your radio talk no go stop me. Cause I dey see you like pussy, yeah, like pussy, yeah. I dey see you like pussy, yeah, like pussy, yeah. Cause I dey see you like pussy, yeah, like pussy, yeah. I dey see you like pussy, yeah, like pussy, yeah. Like I dey waste your time, run for your life. Nothing you go do, go to stop me. Oh, I say you dey waste your time, run for your life. Fuck you and fuck you. I say you dey waste your time, run for your life. Your radio talk no to stop me. Cause I dey see you like pussy, yeah.
You see,
like pussy, yeah.
before I would talk
I dey see
anything,
you like pussy, yeah. Like pussy, yeah. Cause I dey see you.
before I would talk anything, I just want to make people understand one thing before I would talk. In this life, man just for appreciate everything where to go on for in life. You get what I'm saying? I try for Ghana music industry. I try for artists for this industry. I try for a whole lot of people in this industry. But the whole thing they look like, if you joke things some people they on. If you play things some people they on. And you see, some of us for the industry, we are fucking tired of the lies and the things where people they talk about Ghana music and still it did where it did. Like stagnant water when you know the free move. I get things where I just want to talk. And first, I want to talk about the radio presenters with the day Ghana. Radio presenters with the day Ghana where they feel say if them get morph, where they go fit decide and talk anything because they get mic. I get mic when me to talk for inside. And if you know really sit up well as a presenter and do your work, I will show you, say, you see where me are from before I come to the music industry. It be beating so put the chop, it be slapping so put the chop. You understand me? Because it be joking plenty people they on for here right now. Joking with plenty radio presenters they on. Plenty radio presenters, joking they on. Talk anyhow for radio, talk about artists anyhow. Like, they say they get money past the artists. Me, I don't know about some artists, but me, I get money past plenty radio presenters. I get things past plenty radio presenters. Because of their mentality, that's why they do where they do. When you're from Sunyani, then you move to Eastern region, Then you move to here. Then you come try, then you get to Accra. Then if you get to Accra, then if you say, yeah, right now you're on top, like you be really presenter, so you catch Accra. My guy, don't come full for Accra. Don't come play for Accra. Otherwise, if we see you for show, and if it slaps, you go chop. If it slap, and we go slap you because me when you talk about me for radio, when you talk anyhow for radio about me, if I say I go make you chop slap, make go police station, make go talk for them. If you like them, go take go court. When we take go court, then you explain because at the work I'm mad. So as I wake up now, I just slap you. Then they go ask you for court. Court. They know they see who be who for the court. Nobody the boss for them. Apart from the judge, they there. Judge, they get sense. So when they go listen your matter, where they go say, no, Akwawe is right. Yes. But also I don't know sir. They go ask you for court. Make nobody feel say nobody they fear somebody for Ghana here where they here. If it me here they bomb me for. And I know they fear anybody for Ghana here because I know they break law. I know they violate. What will we from come here? It be serious things they go on for them. You understand me? You know where places where man sleep and things, places where man put in head. Where rain fall for my head top, where today God bless, where man just go fish at that well and man go feel live well. You know also, because you most of you radio presenters, you do with your mother and your father and your auntie for house, you dey get food chop, so you dey go work, you dey get some place sleep, you dey go work. So if you say life is normal, so when you come, then you won't come just rush people. Most of you go school, but you know they behave like you go school. Very stupid radio presenters for Ghana where we get. And that's why government even know they take radio serious. Because the government even know go listen radio. Some stations. Check CTFM. See the way CTFM people they keep themselves. Nice. You know, they don't even worry themselves to talk about artists to get hype for them at radio stations. Because they do them a work. The CEO for CTFM, he don't respect himself fucking. So if you presenter where you come their way, they can't do like they go sack you. You can't go to CTFM and they behave nonsense for them. Check some radio stations where they did Ghana. But I mean, what I want to talk, we say, you see, all those where they presenters where they come, where they speak key for radio, they full say, yeah, if you are card, they hey. We're not going to do anything. If you slap where man go chop, slaps where man go chop, slaps. When you don't do your work well. You know, if you get some artists put them for board, then they disgrace them, useless them. Hey, you know what we start on? You know what we start on? Or if you say you put a great start on, or you put a bring celebrity the word, you put bring them. Don't fuck it like that. Because we can fuck it like that too. And my fucking thing where I tell you what I tell you. Radio presenters for Ghana. You gotta be very careful with the way they talk about artists for radio. Very, very careful. Very, very, very careful. Because if I meet you for some place where you party, outdooring, anywhere I meet you, show, anything, street, I go tell you. Because you did that way, you won't talk shut while it matter anyhow, basa. No research. You people know they even check artists and in growth. If you people do where you kill plenty artists, where plenty artists they? Where Lord Kenya they? Where Bradford them they? Where Samini them they? Go artists, go where Zode, where Chicago they? Where Cocovelli they? Where Florian Ponsan they? You people always won't find fault. If Florian Ponsan self go dash something for some place, you know you can't talk. You wake me they talk so Florian Ponsan, you go rape. You wait me you can't talk say Cocovelli, you go do this. You do wait me you can't talk say before you can't talk. Hey, that plan where you people make people stop. You understand me? Cause it be me, I change Ghana music industry, my guys, money day inside, make with the chop. And you see that same me, even me, I go make plenty radio presenters stop work. Cause you go court, if you not take care, you go jail. You go jail. They go see how jail be like. Most of you not go sell before. You go sell before. Who will sleep for sell out? Man be bad man. I be real bad man. Man be bad man, real bad man. Important that if you say anytime you go to talk people them want and shatter, then somebody go shatter, you calm down, don't mind them. These people did it. Hey, there's no calming down on this thing again. There is no calming down on this thing again. Me where I reach from with my career, I can choose to stop music right now. Nothing no go worry me because I get businesses where they do. Nothing no go worry me at all. Nothing. But you see, when people continue this thing for the next generation, you know, go make one music go. And like I talk, you be slaps where people slaps. Where you put it, and they talk slaps. You people go just slaps. What kind of foolish thing be that? Say you did that, they put artists on board, then you just want to lambast them, bombard them, make the public know say that artist be useless. If you way they make, we don't know they respect Ghana artists. If you way they make, where people go, if you can take artists from Ghana and take them go foreign, then misuse them. Because you make them know say, oh, these guys they be cheap guys. If you go school, stay your school there. Don't come and do your school thing for radio. Because when you come street, if the artists have way they do themselves like that. We are tired. We are tired. Some of them, you see themselves, no better shirts. They must check dirty. They must unpick the smell. Some of these representatives, no better trousers. Some foolish shoes they wear. Boom, pan shoes. Sankpana. Then you can't date there. Then you want to show men like us, men. We want to eye open. Men. We will know what's up. Men. Hey, don't come do that thing. Me, I dey talk about myself. Me, I dey talk about myself. If you really present a way I hear say they talk about me here, when you talk any nonsense about me here, I'll come beat you. Me, I will beat you, make you go police station. I will beat you, make you go police station. If you don't have anything better to talk about me, if you don't say no, like, don't talk about me. Don't even try. What the fuck? When Jimmy man, what's the fuck? You come to a city today, you won't spoil the city. They your village. They your village. Me, they want me for a cow. No joke thing. No joke thing for a car. Foolish boy, you did there, and you just want sit radio top, talk about people, say nasty things about people, and then you want people buy into you. Want people accept them. You feel say you get listeners. You feel say you get listeners. That's village life. Don't bring them come here, swear. That village life. Make people no bring them come at all. Cause that thing go stop. That thing, me I say go stop. Me I go stop. I go do and make it stop. Make Ghana president self happy. Cause people that do our way, people say they fit this Ghana president anyhow. Hey, make you respect when I country. You understand what I talk? Make you respect when I country. You get what I talk? Make you respect when I safe. You get what I talk? I don't make ready say the thing be say if you don't talk my matter, I no go touch you. But if you talk my matter, I go slap you. I go slap you. I go slap you. And those artists where they follow radio presenters where they say this thing. Hey, we know you all. We know most of you be villagers. Villagers. You're the radio presenters of villagers. You don't know what you're about. You don't know what you want in life. You know they go beg no man for anything. Me, if me this, me at the talk. We know they go beg no man for anything. Come beg with the presenter say make people. Hey, like go take sweep rich man in house. Like go take sweep or wash plate for rich man in house for Ghana here. Me I don't go wash plate for America. I'll go take wash plate for rich man for Ghana. Make it pay me so much to make I get something chop. What the fuck? People just say that so nonsense. So nkwasiasem. Impanyifo mo nyimbo mo Jimmy na yamode. The way they watch man, they see man like, you know, this guy, you know, they will go show him say, hey, make I tell you people something. That thing where you people they do for Ghana, like oh, you want to show say you get power, radio presenter. Don't fucking fuck up with Shatta Wale. Don't fucking play with me because my spirit is on a different level. It's on a different level. Don't fucking fuck up. Don't try. Don't try Shatta Wale. Me when I talk I dey do am. When I talk I dey do am. Don't try me. Don't come sit there and sometimes they can't talk like, yeah, you want to show people say, yeah, this be the reason why, that be why. That hey. Much wrong you, mommy. Much wrong you, mommy. Ni ma toto mi, ni ma gbe mi. Represent this in Ghana. Ni ma gbe mi. Ni ma lala mi. Ni tro no kwa mi. Ni fio no kwa mi. Ni ma tawi no ken to ni bi basa ni to ni ke ba wi rough. Tumo nyale fe gbomo. Ha. Ga for me, I show me ni. In boom way rough. Ko boom me, boom rough. Mo job on your bemi, on your totomi. I thought you chon wake here, you run or things, you run or things, you feel any be, you get uchala. Huh? You can't try me. Money ba try, must shit away. Must shot away, no one can shot away. What's here? 20 get my shit away. She many bullets in it. Mini questions in it. Mini questions in it. Mini questions in it. You're planning to on the bathroom. You're living at our scar. You're not going to show business in your money get fish car. Come, I bet you, I bet car, I bet no co. I shouldn't have my mammy. I shouldn't have my totomi, your mammy. I shouldn't have me. Where be you? Oh, send mobile money. I shouldn't have my mammy. You must saw me. Come. Then you're not cratting. That thing you're not cratting. You're not get city. You're not got grass city. No, the city cry the city. Polish the city, make the city clean. And you people just won't come full. You people won't come show say you get power. Hey, me no radio presenter get power pass me as a day. No radio presenter. What radio presenter? What radio presenter? The only thing for do is say play music. Don't come and talk. Don't come and do like you be. Don't come and talk. Play music and go your way. But if you say you get the heart, you won't break somebody, you won't spoil somebody, so you won't show somebody. My guy, if I meet you for some place, hide. Because if you slap, I go make you. If you slap, the most of you go chop the slaps. And if you won't fight, to fight. You go see me a crazy way I did that crazy. What kind of foolish thing be that? No, what kind of nonsense be that? Ask yourself. People do and the next one I won't go to be the bloggers. If you people do with bloggers self pick some life. Bloggers. People with the day house with just one laptop. They go feel write some things. Anything, anyhow. They post things anyhow. That's why now I dey check. Ghana Motion, they take my song. Since I never fine, if somebody go tell me I don't know. But I never see Ghana Motion say they put anything apart from my song where they put from the internet. And if so we bloggers for the if so bloggers what they do. If so bloggers what they do. Put song out, normal, promote the artists. You get something, nonsense thing, don't go and put it there. Fine, certain things you can talk. We are not perfect human beings. But you put it do the thing like you get your favorites. Like the radio presenters, the way they do, they get me. I get my favorite artists. You know, this guy, they respect this guy. Hey! Artists way they respect him more than wow. Artists way they want show say, me and the respect, me and no one do like, hey, you know, we'll get money for this game inside. There is no respect. Nobody they respect anybody. When you hit, they will call you, be like they are your friend. They are not your friends. They won't fucking help you go anywhere. They could use you. You know artists where they use back in the days? If the artists say they shy, say they can't talk. If the artists say they shy, say they can't talk because they useless them. Right now, go Nigeria. Because see, they say, oh, this one day lucky face one, this one day lucky face two. You go lucky before go there. They're fine artists. This one live in mansion, this one day. If you rent themselves, it's fine. But yeah, plenty of the artists, single room. They hustle. 2-bedroom, single room, 2-bedroom. If you say that be life, if you say that be the thing, then if they come show, then shut up contain, then find some car, then somebody the driver, I'm on the drive, go borrow car, then you say, yeah, you be artists. So hype, they hype them myself, and me I do this, and me I go there, me I did there, me I did there. If they say packaging, who will bring packaging? A boa. You follow bloggers, we some of them. If you see the last time they watch some blogger for internet talk with the interview, very poor guy. In trousers, if you know if he close, poor guy, very poor with some common shirts. He won't ramp with me. Wait me, I fit $1 buy shada. You won't come wrong for me. You won't come talk my matter anyhow. Like, you won't come talk to me like I be your mate. Hey, me and you go school. Me and you sit class. Hey, make nobody try. Fool. Because you've after this video, make us see. After this video, make us see say somebody go write some shit. I don't go worry about the crowd. But if I meet you, see when I meet you, the 2 weeks I go tell you when I say how they talk. Then if you finish, go report for police station. We will not a fear cell. Oh. We not a fear cell. We go sell. You know, bad man when me and them move for Ghana here. Me I move with people before me I come out. Oh. Don't see me like that. I be real talk where I did. I be talk for where I did. Talk. I move with people for Ghana for Ghana here. Before me I come, you see me like Shatawale. Don't see me like that. Or if you say what, that's I get fans, be just normal fans. I get people where they get people, where they know people. Them the best, they say, like, hey, my boy, you try. Hey, you try. The step you take, I like, shake me. I get people. Don't play like that. Don't play like that. People take an unnecessary, stupid life. Unnecessary mentality, foolish mentality where you forget. Some mind. Oh, as for Shatta there, we show them say, yeah, the movie they control the industry. Yeah. Nobody they control this industry. Nobody go fish show we what they go on for this industry. Nobody go fish show we anything for this industry. Nobody. What you go show me? No, what you go show me? Oh, what me I get? The hard work me I do. If you people show me, what dedication did this industry say? This is the most stupid music industry we ever have in the whole wide world. Ghana music industry. The most stupid and foolish. What you think? No, what you think? Say you get power, you get strength. Lord did this country, make nobody forget. Lord did this country. Don't forget. So you don't talk about me, I won't have problem with you. But you talk about me, there's going to be serious problems. There is going to be serious problems. We're going to have better problem. Problem when you are going to waste your time for court. Problem when me and you go court. And I'm going to make sure say I win. I go win because yes, as I no can talk anybody matter. But constant when I did in Shatawale, you know the respect. And Shatawale they take cocaine. And Shatawale they take this thing. And Shatawale they do that thing. And Shatawale they inject himself. And Shatawale, you know somebody where they inject himself. You know somebody where they take cocaine. I swear my God, hey, I verse. Anybody where they watch this, you make it send them to another person, make it share them to another person, tell the person say, you see Shatta, he verse. Man, if you work for time, somebody go figure ask question, oh Shatta, if you true say they take cocaine, hey, somebody where they take cocaine, he go feel manage himself up to this date. You give people try hard, they manipulate the people for the country, but you say no, my fans still they grow. People they follow me, people they love me, people still want to move with me, people still they go on with me. My guy, don't play with Shatawale. Don't play with me like that. Ataya, you see me? Ataya, if you know be my fans, last time I tell my father, like now stop this thing. Because I have gotten enough money which has gotten me into projects that I'm doing that I can sit down and say, no, I won't do music again. But I'll work and make money out of that one too. You don't get mine past me, oh my guy. You don't get brain past me. You don't get anything past me. Forget yourself. I get the biggest thing for my heart, which is God. You don't get that. You get God, you don't go behave like that. You're a very foolish person, a very foolish radio presenter, a very foolish blogger. So you come talk to me, you want to talk my matter. How do you see life? Or you people say you know anything, Hammer. You people say you get yourself. When they say somebody gets himself, the person get money. When they say somebody gets himself, the person they do things. That person get plan. That person get future. How many radio presenters you know see? Plenty. Some of them they visit radio top and before you say a palm, they travel go Yankee. You don't make anything. The Yankee that when you go there, you don't go make anything. Nobody like you say if you travel go abroad, then you go make money for them. You go sweep, you go suffer. Whether go catch you, you go grow old. You go tire. Because you as you come this one inside, you take your life. Say they can't spoil people them alive. How much did they pay you for a radio station at all? How much? Most of you did that. How much did they pay you? Nothing. Nothing. Those panelists, whether they can sit and they talk about artists and things, nothing you they get. Nothing that they pay you, but you create hatred for yourself. You won't make people hate you just like that. You won't make people just mean you like that. Somebody then put you for here. Hey, this DJ, what to talk about me? Hey, this presenter, what to talk about me? You see me, Shatawale? Hey, I tire with that thing. Man, a bad man. I'm a big boy in my world. I'm a serious guy. No joke. No joke. Don't come and play with me. Don't come and tarnish my image. Don't come and say certain things where you not be true to the public. And go make you won't make by force make the public believe. Say I know they respect and hey, you know what be respect? Charlie, you see the things me I get from my life. You know be music alone, no. It be respect, humbleness, where you make a rich where I reach. Well, if you say what, how many represent the play show where I take by Range Rover? Who want me check? Cause yeah. I'm bringing for bull. Onupa kwa shy. Onupa na me bua me. O don't boy. Shinai. What kind of life be that? No, what kind of life be that? What kind of life be that? Say like they don't get law to even check those things. So people just go open your mouth and talk anything anyhow. When I they talk on my live video, then people come to and Shatawale the way they talk there. Sometimes you know they like us. You see the way they talk, no, the way they talk. The way you saw me the way they talk. You told the way they talk. Too flame. You be me the way they talk. Or if you say man don't know what they do for this world. If you say man don't know where about where he did for this world. Or if you say we come the music industry because they say Nkwabuchi. Don't fool like that. Don't play with me like that. Don't joke with this guy like that. Don't play. And those fans, wait, for information, anybody where they write something for you, I know they see because I brush the comments. I know they even see. So make nobody even try talk anything where like you won't come. I know they even see. Because see when I know they see, that means I'm blind to you haters. Those artist fans, where you don't know the artist you they follow. Your artist did that, then they hype, they talk importance, and they believe, and they talk this thing, and they believe. Charlie, make I tell you something. The only serious organizations in this country, where me I know, where say they do things, where they do them in their own way. Because you see that place money the politicians forget everything. Forget everything. Politicians. If they play them a card, I beg, pay attention to them because they are clever people. They are clever people because if it's them, they govern country. So they are clever people. Don't lose guard and watch certain things and people say, yeah, but this, this be their life. My guy, I see boys with the wisdom of time. I see boys where they move with other boys where they say, yeah, we'll be group, yeah, we'll be this, yeah, we'll be it'll be this, yeah, the wisdom of time. Me, my squad, me and them, they move me. I know they joke with them. Anybody will do mistake, I go tell you. If you know, like, get the fuck out of my life. I don't even need you. Because I'm doing my own shit. Fans, they follow some people. And the people, they lie you. The people, they talk some things. And the people, they won't post. And they won't dress some way. And show you, say, hey, if they talk branding, make I tell you. Make you understand what be branding. Branding no be about what are they wear. Me I be gangster, so I like shot a gangster. I'm not gonna make you stop me the way I want to live my life. The way me I want to live my life. I knock myself, you see me, I knock myself, you see, I knock myself, my volley and shit. You know be you where you can show me how I go through my life. You know be you at all. Don't see life like that. Don't see life like that. That yeah, they can't tell you, they do this, then you follow on. Hey. There is a reason why people go to church and there is a reason why people go to the mosque. There is a reason. Don't fool yourself as an artist man. And you get there, then anything, then you won't talk, then you won't do like you get sense. My guy, most of you where you did the way you be some artist man, you are poor like some shit. You don't get anything. Some of you say, you know, if you pay your rent, some of you for pay your school fees, some of you, the problem you did inside for your family, you know easy. But you bring that curse upon social media because you see I'm like, yeah, it be social media. My guy, you are cursed. Shout out to all my fans who didn't believe, say anything at the talk can be real. God is going to bless each and every one of you. He's not going to leave anybody out. Artists, them are fans. Some of them. Oh, are they shocked, Chef? So stupid life. Because of what they hear for radio, because of what they read on internet from bloggers. Hey, when Jimmy Ghana, hey, people fool for Ghana. People fool. People really fool for Ghana. If you say that, why some corporate bodies and things, they don't even sponsor certain things. Or you say the music industry, some particular people take them like they're my own. They're my own. Where did they take them? See the way. Make I give you an example. Like when they can't do award. When they can't do award, then they say make fans vote. Fans make them vote. And the fans where they can't vote. Then if they vote, then they take you money. If you see some people know they see fans go want to say no, the body they get sponsorship. You go get sponsorship. You say you won't do program. Nobody can force you. You say you won't go do program. Nobody can force you. But then when fans they vote, they take them money. It be normal. We understand. Maybe you won't make extra money. But ask yourself, see, if election they come Ghana, you they buy credit and vote before the president they win. Ask yourself. So politicians will come in your house and can't give you something small, and can't pay you something small, and can't drop you something small. Me, I don't drop my fans something. Me, I did give my fans something. So when they vote hard for me. But like, in my wish say they for not take money from fans. Make people see how voting go like. We don't sleep, Ghana. We are fucking asleep. We are fucking asleep. Forget everything. Maybe they can do then the fan go wasting money, take vote, then he won't vote for Shatta Wale. Then some set of people there. They say, no, this the board be 40%, this one be 30%, this one be 40%. So no, this board decides, no, we can't give it to Shatta Wale because they respect. Mama, me them. Who gives Shatta Wale? You give Shatta Wale. If you say Shatta Wale, go worry about that. The who are they here for town? Say some people say no, it will be the board. So you have to be the board, them award there, it be them that they decide. You they decide what? You they decide for the people of the country. Munjiana, Muninasa, Munyamwa, College, Alloy Beijing. Nyaba Jamo, I can mambia ni bola latui. Nyaba Jamo, I can mambia ni bola latui. I can even be a bola to yes, you vote down and getting man be a vote. Even some politicians they do we. Like we say we go get peaceful country. Let's think. Wake up. Let's reason. Munjing. Mumayenjing. Nya want drive because Ghana. Minkebononi. Me go fi hate me but I see to fall down. You dey lie. You see me I fall down, I rise. I fall down, I rise. So there's nothing where you go to stop me, Shatta Wale. There is nothing. Because I know how to fall and I know how to rise. I've learned. I know how to fall and I know how to rise. Don't be there and be thinking stupidly. Oh, Shatta there, oh, okay, yeah, no, me, I don't like Shatta, so I'll go. Charlie, you see me, I find something where I do with my fans and they love them. If you know my fan, don't come to my page and come to do the one can comment. Go your person way did I like coming page and go comment. Imagine say with this street where they do I go slap somebody and it go be lesson. I go slap somebody and it go be lesson. Cause this shit they go on too much and me I'm fed up with that thing. Oh Shatta, you relax. Oh Shatta, you do this. Oh Shatta, you oh no Shatta. I'm fed up. If nobody love of my fans, like me, stop this music. Oh, you know they see the way me I release music. Me I know they release music and make it go day some. If I get some guy they put for iTunes, if they delay no, they put the song out. What the fuck? What do I need? My fans will listen to something. Make they kick them. They make they go. They make they move. That's what me I do. Cause I don't really care. Cause what I've gotten to in my life, I'm doing better things that is bigger and better than the music industry here. Recently, I saw some guy we can write it. They make it if like a day Nigeria, like they go hold me. What? Yes, Nigerians respect their arts. They love it. But Ghana, any beer kata, a beer kata, Jimmy, we represented Jimmy, blogger so Jimmy, na artist fans so amudi ne chia, omu say, na artist we the all can na kwe, na the all yana real na, hey, mama nhwe you, na musumu Jimmy di ne chi. Then the only thing people go spread we say Shatta Wale they take cocaine and Shatta Wale they do that and Shatta Wale they do that. Hey, I don't say one of these. Make somebody see me for street and talk say I they take cocaine. I go beat you when you go police station then you go answer them for this. Say they pass. We say they take cocaine. They go ask you say now oh yeah we there now cocaine on wasem. Obi mbe kan wa men cocaine nipa no. Ke mi mba Jacoba ka ba jimba. Ke mba Jacoba ka ba jimba. Nobody be perfect for this world inside. Nobody be perfect. But the painting where you put on painting, that is not my picture. The idea where you put have say you go take for me, I go beat you. Me boom. Me at the talk, I go beat you. Me boom. Make lucky to say at that time then maybe me and my militant we go beat you. Me and my squad, we go beat you. And go report to police station. Or if you say police station, they know the listen sense. You say policemen don't get sense. They get sense rough. Policemen. And we go to say go take go court. Take go court. Who the fear court? Who go court? When we go court, and she go see the judge said go tell you say, only nansa we are poor. We are kwasia. If not take us, the judge said go lose talk and talk so ma make check. Jimmy Ben no, they be Jimmy Ben no. You will be fear. Now we're re-war. You jump walk out my house. Say you can't tell me what me have to do with my life. Make me what me have. You check your house. You check your house. You check the way your house is. You check the way your house is. In my house I get pool, I get things, I get cars, I get things. You check your house. Don't be a stupid person. Don't be a foolish Ghanaian. Be a sensible, smart Ghanaian like a politician. That is the way you can rule your life. Don't be stupid. Some of you go see radio talk, then you talk about some ministers, you talk about president, you talk about anything like when you be a money so a common demo. Or if you say the politicians don't they watch and they laugh. The mama we work hard and make our money and let our kids go to school in Harvard. They'll go to school in Oxford University. The mama where we the Jimmy and Kwana come. The politicians themselves know. See, some people in the country, you see, politics is in a way that, let me keep it corporate. But you see me where I'm from, I'll be a musician, you see the things that they do. Oh yeah, I'm a bowasum. Hey, I'm a bowasum. Don't come and tell me, say I be celebrity, so no, celebrity, they don't do that. If you know, say I be celebrity, there are certain things you don't do to celebrities. Because you don't get law here, that's why. That's why somebody just go visit you and talk about any celebrity like that. Or what do they think? All people know they see the fight me I fight for. Me I fight where I win, I don't fight where I lose. I fight where I win. I don't fight where I lose. And I be winner. God will born me. God himself will be winner. You check yourself. Check yourself, my guy. Check yourself. Otherwise you go to run. You see anytime you see me go to run. Because me, if you know say you talk about him, when you see him from some place, you go to run. I don't care wherever they are, go slap you. You put a good talk out there, some artists go talk for some place. Don't me nobody for take me like that too. I be celebrating for my fans. I don't be celebrating for radio presenter. I don't be celebrating for nobody. For my fans. You know the kind of fans me I get. What's this? What's the think if somebody say fans? Pastors or politicians my fans. Plenty. You see the street. The street they don't try. The streets don't try. If I see you, I slap you away if you know they lose God said, boys go pick you. They go collect everything for your body too. Let's go report for police station. They go ask you why? I then also now who can't say radio so one home. I just see them in them boy got talk. Shut there. No. They do drugs and they do I hear. I go meet you people. Hey, I go meet you people. When I meet you, make I tell you, when man go war, they look at you. When man go war, they look at you, because war battlefield, you know, be just like that. Me, I save myself from a whole lot of things. I save my money for a rainy. I do things. I do things for her. So if they see me way, you won't calculate me my life. You can't calculate my life. You can't even try say you won't judge my life. That's how they hate for my life. So somebody won't judge you, somebody won't look down upon you, somebody won't make you see say you know be nobody. Hey, my guy, don't do that. Don't try me. Don't bring that on me. Because see right now, I'm fed up with the music industry. I'm fed up. Nobody feel repair this thing, and me, I go repair them. Give me a 16 DJs or radio presenters go cut. I will stand on my feet and go cut with them. What the fuck? What can you show me? What have you taught me in my music life? Have you taught me how to buy a house? Plenty of artists the way they can follow you radio presenters. What did you get for them? What did you get for them? Just hype them, use them, and dump them. Hype them, use them, and dump them. Don't see me like that. I'll not be like that people way they do. I'm a different type of guy. I'm a different person altogether. I'm a different person altogether. Don't try me. You try me, I go slap you. Me and they talk. Make they send this video to everybody. Make they hear. Say me a verse. Slapping sweet people they take. Pussy.